Hello. Okay, so we are back. Question number 9. Let's read it to us. Let's read it to both of us. Let's read. Number 9. Sally is 3 years older than Bob. End of sentence. Sally is 3 years older than Bob. End of sentence. Okay. This turns into the first equation you need to make. Now we just practice these. If you look at the worksheet above, questions 1, 2, 3, and 4, we're practicing this portion of our system. Next sentence. In 1 year, Sally will be twice as old as Bob. Okay, that's our second sentence. So remember, we shared that we're going to create 2 equations per question because we're creating a system. So I have 1 equation, 2 equations. So go ahead, pause this video, and try to create both. Now you can look up at the top of the worksheet for examples for this sentence. Is questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you want examples for this one, it's 5, 6, 7, and 8. But this is the first question we get to, woohoo, use all of our skills and create the entire system, not just a single equation. So go ahead and pause and try it yourself. Welcome back. Did you try it yourself? Don't just watch me do it. I already know how to do it. I want to see that you can do it. So if you really didn't pause and create it, pause the video now. I'm watching you. Pause the video now and try it yourself. What's the worst thing that's going to happen? You might get it wrong. Okay. I get plenty of things wrong. You might get it right. But if you don't practice, you don't know. Try. TRY, man. TRY. You got this. TRY. So pause the video and try it yourself. Don't cheat. I'm watching. Okay, now let's give it a go. We have Sally is, nice. Sally is 3 years older than Bob. Older is plus, and than is a flip, right? We have that flip word in there. Bob plus 3. Did you get that first one? Nice. Congrats, congrats. And if you didn't, that's okay, we're still learning. Write it down, correct it, read it a couple times. Make sure that this works in your brain. If not, you can always come in for lunch help. Next one. In 1 year, Sally will be twice as old as Bob. Will be. Sally, Bob. So I got Sally on one side, I got Bob on the other, right? In 1 year, in 1 year. Well, I ask myself if I'm confused, Teresa, how old will you be in 1 year? Well, I'm 52 plus 1, 53. So in 1 means in the future. We're going to be adding 1 to both sides, right? Because in 1 year, comma, means all of this is happening in 1 year. Cool beans. We haven't used twice. And don't forget those lovely parentheses. Did you get it? Nice. So you now set up both equations that are needed to solve this beautiful equation. I'm not teaching solving yet. Today we're just learning how to set these up. Now, your homework will be to flip this worksheet over and set up all of these equations. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. I'm going to do 10 with you, and then I'm going to end the video, and your homework will be to just finish setting them up. Not solving, just setting them up. You got this. So let's look at question number 10. Sally is 20 years older than Bob. End of first sentence, first equation. 3 years ago, Sally was 5 times as old as Bob. How old are they now? Okay, first sentence, we're going to create our first equation. Second sentence, we're going to create our second one. Now the key is, where is the is word? Is, was, word, will be. They all mean equal, right? So find that. That's your key. Go ahead and find those words. Sally is, got it. Sally is Bob plus 20. Remember, older means plus, and Bob and the 20 have to flip because we have that than word in there, that tricksy word. 3 years ago, Sally was 5 times as old as Bob. Here's our was. We got Sally. We got Bob. 3 years ago. 3 years ago. Well, 3 years ago, I was still in my 40s. Just a young, spry gal I was. So I was 49, because 52 take away 3, 49. So 3 years ago is a subtraction. We got this. Look at that. Beautiful. And then we have something we haven't used, and that's at 5 times. So 5 times. Cool. And you can write these over here. So the first equation, nifty, nifty. The second equation, cool beans. Now your homework is to just set up 11, 12, 13, and 14 on your own. You got this. I know you can do it. Have a great day. Bye.